Take my hand and dance with me. Forget your life and what you think you may not be. Your past is just that, gone afar. So leave your cares beyond the bleak and fading stars. Let your desires play upon unspoken notes as trouble fade and confusion is revoked. Like the stars and the moon, the winds and the waters, entwine your soul in mine, and I will catch you when you falter. Believe in me and grant me this dance, our world altered through our love's romance.
Summer days and winter nights, burning love, we're shining bright.
We're gathered here today to witness and celebrate an awesome act of deep love. Sarah and Beau, in their devotion, respect, and love for each other, wish to unite in the holy bond of marriage and to dedicate themselves to each other's happiness and well-being as partners.
This love is all we need.
As you know, we've been so fortunate to spend the last 10 years together. I still remember when we first met, and I can't believe that fate brought us into that Starbucks on that single day with an open seat next to the most beautiful girl. Your enthusiasm for life rubs off on all those in your presence. Your smile lightens even the darkest of times, and your passion for bringing out the best in people make you the angel that touched my life in ways that I can't describe. I promise to stand by you, no matter the moment, no matter the challenge. I vow to be your support, your caretaker, your protector, your provider, your personal cheerleader for life. As I've told you many times before, you have been and are my life. I love you beyond reason and look forward to every future moment that we get to share together.
So thank you very much for making him who he is today. And I just hope for you guys that you will continue to make each other better as you continue to live together and to grow. So thank you guys very much.
I'm so grateful for Beau, that he is your protector. I'm so grateful that he is there for you and he covers you and he is just your hero. We just look forward to seeing the next step you guys go into, and we love you guys.
My loyal and loving Beau, you entered my world when I unknowingly needed your friendship and love the most. The past 10 years has been the best string of yesterdays, starting from our first glance as acquaintances at Starbucks to our beautiful lives together in Loomis. I vow to love, cherish, and support you intensely, intentionally, and without bounds on your best days and on those trying days. You have been and always will be my source of joy, gratitude, and calm amidst this life's chaos. Loving you has been and always will be the greatest joy of my life.
As a representative of Jesus Christ, in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Beau, you may kiss your bride.